Reaction from Zoom Communications where they've said that they will cooperate with the CBI. In fact, Madhav is with us on the phone line. Madhav, okay, we'll tell you what exactly is the statement. Zoom Communication has tried and clarified, and they've also said that the agreement between Prasar Bharati, SRS Live is not illegal in any which way. Of course, all of this pointing to the action being taken by Mr. B.S. Lalli, which has cost the exchequer loss to the tune of 105 crore rupees. And Zoom Communication seems to be one of the companies involved in the scam. But now there is a clarification coming in from the company saying that it will cooperate with the CBI in the investigation in whichever way is required.
In fact, let's quickly give you a background as to what happened today, earlier today. In fact, investigating authorities visited the Zoom Communications premises and have been speaking with the other company officials. Now, that is the statement that has been issued by Zoom Communications. Let's speak to our correspondent, Madhav, for more details. Madhav, take us through the statement that has been issued by Zoom Communications.
Well, two or three significant points that have come out really of this particular statement. Zoom Communications, of course, saying that officials have visited their offices in New Delhi and have been speaking to various officials about exactly what transpired. They were, of course, one of the subcontractors of the CWG Games that was held last year in Delhi. And, of course, saying that as far as the subcontract is concerned, this was very much part of the deal between Prasar Bharati and SRS Live, saying that as far as all their dealings are concerned, they're commercial and completely transparent, and that whatever help is required, certainly from their side, whatever cooperation is required, that will be provided. So really, this statement coming out from the side of Zoom Communications, they had, of course, earlier tried to rubbish the various allegations that had come out from the Shunglu Committee report, the various findings of the Shunglu Committee report, but now, of course, the tone appears to have certainly changed after these particular raids have taken place, which were carried out by the CBI this morning.
In fact, Madhav, almost 6 months after Times Now first exposed suspended Prasar Bharati CEO B.S. Lalli, the CBI today, in fact, has finally filed an FIR against him